everyone. My name is Amparo López and I am professor at Hydraulic and Environmental Engineering Department in Universitat Politécnica de Valencia. In the learning object of today, we will be speaking about digital twins for water distribution networks. When we finish, we will be able to properly understand the definition, implications, and pillars of a digital twin of water distribution networks in this case. So, we will be speaking about water distribution networks as a whole system, the way from modeling to digital twin, the digital twins of water distribution networks, what for, and which are the pillars. Water distribution networks are a whole system. This system is devoted to purport water in terms of flow, pressure, and quality into some points of consumption. In general, these actions are made across pipes, pumps, valves, and any other elements to control the system in this sort. In general, these are pressurized systems because we have the water being repelled in pipes, but we can have also channels in open source. So what we are looking for is to find a model, much more than a model, a system that helps us to take decisions over the water distribution system with a digital twin. So this is the way from model, which interacts with all the equations inside a digital twin, which is a whole of many parts in a constant flux. So digital twins are a dynamic representation of real-world entities and their behavior by using model with several datasets, static and dynamics in terms of time, and enable insights and interaction with the representation of the system. It is based on models, but transcends them and transcends the inputs of the model, making suggestions even to the manager and operator based on data which are performed across artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and many sensoring and SCADA in the system. So they integrate data from multiple sources, sensors, satellites, historical records, simulation, and they will give a comprehensive, a real-time view of what is happening or what could happen in the system in a dynamic status. So the interaction between different processes are the proposal of the complete system behavior and the possible activities that the manager can have in the future. So what are they used for? They are used to take decisions, but decisions must be taken more or less in three different levels. Strategic decisions for long-term goals, tactical decisions for short-term goals, and operational decisions for day-to-day goals. So the data proposed, the model used, and the time interaction is different depending on the goals that the manager is taking. For example, strategic decisions for long-term goals, for example, prioritization of investments in some integrated area. For tactical decisions, there can be short-term goals related to management. And for operational decision, day-to-day goals to use this particular pump along the day, this different pattern, opening and closing valves, or proposing several flow conditions. So they are based on several pillars: outcomes, connected technology, insight, and actions. Outcomes drive the direction of the twin by regulatory actions, optimization of cost operation, and reliability of the system. Connected technology must implement several degrees of sensoring for data acquisition and even techniques related to the relationship between this data and the manager. So we need techniques for support to the decision. In case of insights, these are measure of information produced by the models based on simulation, based on artificial intelligence, or combining both, relating series and series of data happened or model in order to the system to take a decision. And actions and interaction are for staff, for operator, and for manager, depending on the level of time and on the level of the decision in the operational system. So, as a conclusion, we could say that digital twins are tools to create virtual models of systems, in this case of water distribution networks, mainly to help managers and operators to take decisions. The definition, the pillars, and in this case, the ways to make a digital twin have been more or less presented to introduce the importance of them to take decisions in short, medium, and long term. The main pillars building the digital twin have been enumerated, making much more digital twin than models. I hope this has been of interest. Thank you very much.